What's up, guys? Dave here, and I have a semi-regular problem with about once a year I need to clean my ears very well. I can't explain it. I'm almost 58 years old, but what I've noticed once or twice a year, my ears just get inundated with earwax, which is completely gross, and it causes problems that you can't hear very well, or after a shower, your ears are clogged with water that won't clear out quickly. And the issue is just earwax. So if you have problems hearing, especially after showering or sleeping where you lay on your side, earwax is the problem. So, you can go to any common store and get just whatever type of earwax softener you choose. It doesn't matter. Just follow the directions on the back and use it properly. And this may take 2 to 3 days of soaking the inside of your ears with whatever wax softener of choice. And they also offer those little ear bulbs that you draw in water and then you spray in your ear. That kind of works, but it's not really that effective. So here's what I've been doing the past few years. I got a WaterPik. This is for cleaning teeth. And you can get a WaterPik pretty much anywhere. So what you have to do, when you're ready to actually do the flushing, you'll need to, I recommend you do it in the like the kitchen sink or a large sink, but you'll need to put the unit in here because you'll need to slowly keep feeding water into it. Very slowly, so just adjust the flow as needed. Take the lid off. It'll start filling water very slowly in here. And then when this is about full, you'll turn it on, and then you'll take the actual water probe that'll be spraying little jets of water. It's not that big a deal. It's not very powerful at all. And then you'll tilt your head. You'll tilt your head down near the sink. You'll actually spray this in your ear. I'm sure some people say this is ridiculous. You should never do that. It'll kill you. It's going to blow your eardrum out. It doesn't hurt anything, so don't believe any of that. And maybe some lukewarm water will be the fix also. But so basically, after you've softened the earwax with whatever solution of choice you like to use, flush it out with the WaterPik. And what just happened, it happens every time for me. But you want to talk about just ridiculous. A glob of wax, at least that long, almost half an inch long, came flying out of my ear into here. Now I keep my, I shower regularly. I keep my ears clean. I'm a clean person, so I can't explain why this happens to me every year or so. But this is my fix. Use a WaterPik to flush out your ear after you've softened it with whatever product you prefer. Works flawlessly. And so that's it. I can't explain it. I don't want to explain it, but it works. Anyway, so I'll put links down below where you can get a WaterPik device like this. I'll put a few links of various earwax softeners, because the little bulb thing that comes with it, it sort of works, but it's not good enough, if you know what I'm saying. You need something that's powerful, that does the job, that doesn't make, it'll make a slight mess of water spray around, but it works great. Anyway, there's my tip for you. Check out my video for other health-related videos. I got a channel with 2,000 videos related to working on cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, appliances around the house, health stuff, video stuff, technology stuff. So just look through my channel, you might see something. And if our video helped you, make sure you click the thanks button you'll see underneath the video screen. And feel free to shoot us a donation. Any monetized YouTube channel would greatly appreciate it, so please do. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.